If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life. Yeah, this is Lori's life.
Welcome back, ladies, to the Grown Women's Table. Ladies, it's your girl, Lori. Hey, girl, hey. How y'all doing today? Guess what? It's day number 9 of my 31-day eyeshadow looks. And I am using the Juvia's Place, the Warrior palette. And that's how I got this look. And I also wanted to let you guys see how the new Rihanna, the Fenty lippy looks like. So you'll see all of that. But before you get to that, I need for you to thumbs up this video. Make sure your notification bell is on. And let somebody know what your girl is doing over here. All right, y'all. Watch the video and see how I came up with this look. All right, y'all. We're going to get into this. And we're using the Warrior palette by Juvia's Place. This is a gorgeous palette, guys. I really like it. It's a very neutral color, natural girl color. If you don't like a whole bunch of all in your face, you got plain nice golds and browns. And what I'm gonna do is go in with it's like a light brown color, and I use that light brown for my transition. Then I'm going in with this darker brown. Now I will say this about this darker brown, y'all. I had to really build it up, because it didn't come out as dark as it is in the pan. You'll see me building this up. But this palette, I think, is $20 or $24, and you can find them at Ulta. Or you can go to Juvia's Place and find them there. So I enjoy this palette. Y'all know how I feel about the artwork on the Juvia's palettes. This one right here, I think, has to be the most beautiful one I've seen thus far. And now I'm going in with that chocolate eyeliner that we got from BoxyCharm. Y'all, at first I really thought I was not going to use it, but y'all, I find myself using this a lot. So if you have it and you just got it stashed away, pick it up and use it. I'm telling you, it really works as a great base. And what I decided to do today was I wanted to go in with a lighter inner eye versus going in with an all shimmer inner eye. So I'm gonna let you guys watch what I'm doing, and I got a little story time for y'all. Unknown fact about your girl. I used to smoke cigarettes like a chimney. Do you hear me? I used to smoke Newports, and I smoked about a pack a day. And y'all, this is a real funny story. My husband was gonna go take my sister and teach her how to drive a stick shift. And so I was like, okay, well, I need some cigarettes. He said, okay. Y'all, so what would you think he was gonna do? Go to the stove, bring me my cigarettes, and then go teach her how to drive. But no, that is not what happened, child. Y'all, when I tell you, I have never fiended so much for cigarettes. If you are a smoker, you know what I'm about to say. Y'all, I was going in the ashtray, getting the old butts and trying to piece me together a cigarette because I was straight fiending for a cigarette. Now, mind you, they were gone for hours. And if you are a smoker, you know what it means to go hours without a cigarette. And I could not handle it. I was so upset. So when my husband and my sister came back, they was all happy. And yeah. Y'all, let me tell you, the power of a cigarette will have you out in these streets acting a plumb fool. Y'all, they came in the house. I'm upset because I ain't got no cigarettes. Why you go take her to teach her how to drive before you brought my cigarettes? I should have got my cigarettes first. And I don't even know what he said. But y'all, I was washing his clothes as a matter of fact. And we lived on the 3rd floor. I was so angry. I literally just took the clothes from the wash machine and threw them out the window. Not one of my proudest moments, but I did it. And that lets you know how powerful a cigarette is, y'all. A cigarette had your girl acting a straight fool. So that's a little unknown fact about your girl. I haven't smoked since August. Is it the 14th, 1994, I think, was the last time I had a cigarette. But y'all, I just want to share this story with you. Now, y'all, I'm basically done with this look. I done went in. I love having a little pop of color in the waterline. This look came out really nice. I like it. It was something a little different. Instead of me just having all that shimmer, I really wanted something lighter on the inner part of the eye. And y'all, I got that Fenty Unveil. And let me tell you, you do not need a lot. And y'all, that's basically it. Put on some hair and that's the final look. All right, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. Guys, I am really enjoying this, and I'm finding out a few things about myself. I'm really starting to like putting a matte there, a lighter color, and then maybe just adding a little bit of shimmer. What you guys think? Tell me. But, you know, playing with all these palettes are, you know, opening up my, horizons when it comes to eyeshadow looks. So I'm really enjoying this. Well, guys, I gotta go. But guess what? All my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the Grown Women's Table. And until the next video, bye-bye, ladies.
Yeah, check out Lori's life. Yeah, this is Lori's life. If you need some advice or looking for an idea, or just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life. Yeah, this is Lori's life. Check out Lori's life. Yeah, it's Lori's life.